cool, so we hope you can make one too.
Hey guys, we're here with Ayden Brady Davila and myself as Lalo Davila. I'm Ayden's daddy, and he's got a whole bunch of monster trucks.
And if you want to buy some too, we can show you all of them you want.
There you go. We can show you all the ones you want. We've got all kinds of monster trucks to show you today. So, Ayden, which ones do we have first?
The first ones we have Northern.
Let me see. Oh, this one is called Northern Nightmare.
So we got Northern Nightmare, Total Loco, and then we got Hot Wheels. Wait, you have to get Earthshaker.
He's getting Earthshaker. I'm sorry, folks. 1 second.
We got the special one I was telling you earlier.
Yeah, the one we were talking about in part 1 of the video is
The
Earthshaker. And then
we're gonna tell you it's all about the Earthshaker. The Earthshaker shakes a lot of rocks into the earth. That's what it does.
You got that, folks? Now, this one is Max D.
You know why they call it Max D? Because these storms, they get, when he ran over it, he might stick. And when he crashed, they can do this too.
Oh, wow. Now, Ayden, what are these here? Have you guys seen these?
And this one is from the valley.
Now, Ayden and Mama made these. They made them out of old cardboard,
Yeah, we
Play-Doh mix, and all kinds of wrapping paper. And they're the ramps here today for the Monster Truck Show. Monster Jams, right, Ayden?
Those are the other ones we just showed you in the last video.
Yeah, the one we showed in the first video. Okay, so what else do we have, Ayden?
We have this.
Do you have the Chrome Total Loco?
We have this Stone Loco. We're going to tell you all about this Chrome Total Loco. We're about to race all these around, and we want you to race these all around too.
Okay, cool. Show them how the ramp works, Ayden. You gotta look at the video, son, so they can see. Now I'm gonna pick it up for Ayden now. Ayden, show everybody. See there? Isn't that cool?
We lose our imagination. They got all this cardboard stuff to make a Monster Jam arena.
And this one, what do you call this ramp here?
We call this the flip ramp.
The flip ramp. And why do you call it the flip ramp?
Because it does a whole bunch of flips.
Oh my gosh. This one, folks, is one of my favorite ramps.
And you see, this long ramp is shorter than this ramp. This ramp is shorter and this ramp is bigger.
Now, folks, what is this one here, Ayden?
This one's Monster Rottweiler.
Rottweiler, okay. And what is this one? That's
Max
another Max D.
And we're going to tell you all about Northern Nightmare. Northern Nightmare means a whole bunch of leaves, and Northern Nightmare is you're having a nightmare.
Uh-oh. Now, this one is one of my favorites. Ayden, what is this one called?
Team Hot Wheels.
Yep. And this one is one of Ayden's favorites. Has anybody seen that cartoon, Scooby-Doo?
Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you?
Yes.
We have some work to do now.
And what is this? Oh, this is Max D in the Chrome package. That's pretty sweet there, Ayden.
We got another Max D, but These are not really spikes, but they're fake ones. I know you like this.
Excuse me, folks. We're tired. We just got through swimming. And Ayden wanted to make this video, but this one right here is called the Predator. Also looks like the Black Panther, right, Ayden?
And also we got the two mock warriors and we got the Mohawk Warriors.
And this one is the Prowler. Looks like a tiger. Awesome.
And this one's the Zombie Hunter. It's a goat zombie hunter.
And this one is an ugly one. This is called Crustacean. I don't like it. Ayden, tell us about Crustacean.
Crustacean is a crab.
Man, this one is cool. You know what? This one reminds me of your shirt. Tell us why, Ayden.
Because we and my dad were watching Jurassic World. Our friend came too.
Who, Mason?
Mason?
Did Mama go?
Yes.
Did we eat popcorn and stuff?
Yes. We want you to watch that movie too.
Okay. And this one is super cool. This one is called Bad News Travels Fast. Now, if you see the brown on the tires, that means it's been on the dirt roads. Isn't that cool? Well, that concludes our show for today. We're going to put up all these Monster Jam cars, and we're going to hit the sack. So until next time, folks, I'm Lalo Davila, and this is Ayden, my son. Ayden, say bye to everybody.
Daddy, we supposed to do the ramp too.
We already did the ramp.
I know, but because we have to play. That's how they make the videos.
Okay, well, Ayden says we make the videos by playing, but, man, I'm kind of pooped, Ayden. Time to go to bed. It's 11:46.
Daddy.
We got to go to bed, son.
Daddy.
Say until next time, folks.
Daddy, they're watching you do that.
Oh, no. Until next time, folks, I'm going to bed. Good night.
In the morning, we'll do some more tricks with my mom.
Tomorrow, you will have Mom and Ayden doing the videos, right, Ayden?
And also, we forgot you to show these ramps and these flags.
Oh, yeah. Folks, this is going to be part 2 of many. He's got so many Hot Wheel cars. He's got over 500 Hot Wheel cars. And he's got over 35 Monster Jam trucks. And he's got a lot of flags.
We got the Max D flag. We got the Dalmatian flag. We got the Predator flag. We got Jurassic Tech flag.
I'm so tired, folks.
Well, we're about to make this video go well.
Okay.
We got Jester flag. You're watching me laugh at the video.
I was sleepy, son. My son Ayden, he doesn't like for me to go to sleep, but I got to, Bubba. So say goodnight to the nice folks watching this video.
We'll see you in the morning.
See you in the morning, guys. My name's Lalo Davila, and this is
Ayden Daddy.
Good Night.